Let's Adventure Science Spirits, and today we're going to be doing pepper and water.
Pepper and water experiment. So can you tell us the ingredients that we have today?
We have a tray, like we did in my volcano one with 2 videos. I actually have 2 videos of it, and this soap. Dad, did you know we use this for my animation milk?
Yeah, we did. And what else do we have?
And water and pepper that I cannot eat because it's too spicy for me.
It's too spicy for you. That's right. All right. So, Scientist Edgeworth, can you gently take the water and pour it all into the tray? Make sure it's covering the water. Okay, very good. Now we're gonna take the pepper, and I want you to sprinkle a generous amount of pepper into the tray. Keep going. You want a lot for this experiment. Here, let me see if Daddy could help. You really get a lot of pepper in there.
Yeah.
So you really want it covered for this experiment to work. All right. Okay, so now, no, not yet. We're not going to do that part yet. Scientist Edgeworth, I want you to take your finger and put it and just dip it in the middle of the pepper water. Now take your finger out. As you can see, nothing happened. Do you want to know why? Because of something called surface tension with the water and the pepper. Now take your other finger.
Ew.
I know. Yeah, take your other finger, like coat it with a dish soap. All right. And then, wait, let's get the excess off. Okay, now take that finger and dip it in the middle now. Whoa, do you see what happened?
It's like soap.
Yeah, so you want to know why the reason the dish soap chased it away? Because it's very effective in cleaning, and it disrupted the surface tension of the water and the pepper. See, keep putting your finger in like the pepper spots. See how it separates it? That's why dish soap is very effective in cleaning dirty dishes, because it gets rid of all that gunk. So think of the pepper and the water as like germs, and then your finger with the soap is like, it's like the medicine coming in to take away the germs. So you do the regular, no, dish soap doesn't do anything. Now do it with dish soap. Do it again with dish soap so people could see. Oh, see how it separates? But wasn't that a really cool effect? Very.
What about I do this?
You can. Very cool. Do it one more time. There we go. All right, Scientist Edge, what did we learn from today's experiment?
If you put your fingers in water, they're dirty like this.
Uh-huh.
And you have to wipe, and you have to get it with soap.
And what does the soap do?
It gets all the germs off.
It does. All right. Is there anything you want to say to your audience before we end the video?
Ew.
That's what you want to tell your audience? All right. Say bye-bye.